Sixth graders, I wanted to send this video to you so that you can see where you can take a practice test if you would like to do so before we do the SBA. So the link for this website is included in the email. And once you click on that link, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. There's lots of stuff here, but just you can ignore it. All you need to do is click sign in down here. You don't need any sort of username or password, just click sign in and it will sign you in. And then once that's done, it'll ask you to select your grade from this drop-down menu. So click here and click 6. And then you'll see all of these options. The main one I wanted you to see right is this one right here, the second one down on the yellow, which is the 6th grade ELA practice test. If you'd like to practice math, you could do so as well right here. But this is where you will get to see actual test questions that were given to students in prior years. And it's the same format that you will see on May 4th and 5th when you take the SBA test in person on Truman campus. So when you click that practice test, it's going to give you lots of other options. Just click select. It's going to ask you to make sure you can hear a sound. You just click that, you hear, if you could hear, I hear the sound, just making sure that your computer's set up because there are some audio options. Gives you more things, just click begin test now. And then it'll give you some practice questions. And like, for example, here is a text that you would read, and here are sample questions. Even if you don't want to go through and take a ton of practice questions, that's okay. It still is a good idea just to get in here and get familiar with the format of the test, because this is exactly how it will look when you come on May 4th or May 5th to take the test in person. This is how the format looks. And so just to get familiar with it is a good thing to do, and will help you get a better score too, just so that you're familiar with what the test looks like. Just as a reminder, you always want to read these questions that they ask you before you read the text so that you know what to be looking for as you're reading the text. It gives you a purpose for reading. And that way, when you come back and answer the questions, you'll already have some idea of what the answer could be. And of course, you can always go back into the text and then go back to the questions and go back and forth as well. So practice tests are not required, but they're very helpful, and you usually get a much better score if you do take a little bit of time at least to practice beforehand. If you have any questions, please reply to this email, and I am happy to help. Thanks, sixth graders. Bye.